Since Lane's in Alabama, I don't think he's gonna be needing this guitar, brand new. He'd probably hurt me if he found out I was playing it.
Yeah, well. Hey! Hey, man! This isn't right. Hey! How's it going? It's not what it seems, right?
Well,
Didn't I tell you not to touch my guitar?
yeah, you did.